In this video, you'll learn how to effectively utilize the click-to-ad feature on Higgsfield AI. This process allows you to create engaging video advertisements quickly and efficiently using AI technology. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser. Once the page loads, you will be presented with the main interface of the AI video generator and image generator. Ensure that you are on the correct page by checking for the branding and layout that signifies you're on Higgsfield AI. Next, locate and click on the video option. This is usually found prominently displayed on the main interface. After clicking, the interface will update to show video-related features, confirming that you are in the right section to create your advertisement. After that, look for the Click to Add button and click on it. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can input details about your advertisement. You should see a prompt that allows you to turn any product into an advertisement, which indicates that you're ready to proceed. Continue by pasting the product URL into the designated input field. This step is crucial as it allows the system to generate a video ad tailored to the specific product. Once you've pasted the URL, verify that it is correct to ensure seamless processing. Then click on the Continue button. This action initiates the process of building your product kit. A loading message may appear, informing you that this process usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, it is advisable to check your internet connection, as a slow connection may delay the process. Once the product kit is being built, you will see a message indicating that the system is connecting to the website. After a brief moment, the system will proceed to extract product images, find brand colors, and locate logos. This automated process enhances the quality of the ad. After the extraction is complete, you will see various options for processing details and finalizing your product kit. Make sure to wait for these steps to finish, as they are essential for ensuring the ad is generated effectively. Following the finalization, you will be presented with product details, product images and logo and brand colors. Review these elements carefully to ensure they align with your expectations for the advertisement. Next, click on the Continue button again to advance to the ad styling options. You will be prompted to choose your ad style, which will determine the visual presentation of your advertisement. After selecting a style, you can proceed to choose presets. Each preset includes optimized visuals, captions, and pacing tailored for social media platforms. This selection is important as it influences how effectively your ad will engage viewers. Once you've chosen an effect, click on the Generate Video button. This action will initiate the video creation process, and it may take a moment for the system to compile everything into a complete video ad. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.